Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what every single transmission should come with from the factory, but for some reason my 2013 F-150 does not. This one right here, that's called a drain bolt. It's going to make life a lot easier when I have to change the transmission fluid again. Stay tuned. Oh, hey, welcome back to the channel. We noticed that you guys like to come around, but you don't like to subscribe. Can you do us a huge favor? Hit that subscribe button for us and the like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and it really gets us closer and closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Thanks in advance. Now that's the front of the vehicle. This is the rear of the vehicle. Naturally, the transmission pan swoops down or angles down a little bit towards the rear. So you actually want to go towards the rear of the oil pan and have that side drain first. So you want to remove some bolts from there before you remove the bolts in the front. That'll be the easiest way to get this oil out. There is the magnet. I'm putting a new pan on, so I'm gonna have to clean this up and put on the new one. But either way, you want to clean this up. As you can tell, there's some like metal shavings in there. Oh, like yeah. Very, very small. Luckily, there's nothing like really big, so that's a good sign. All right, this is the new pan. It's actually dormant. I got off of Rock Auto. Ooh, shiny. With the drain bolt. The first thing you want to do is add your magnet from the other pan. Goes right in that slot. Now, what I'm going to do, I don't know if they tighten these down enough from the factory. Just like an oil pan bolt, just want to make sure it is snug. Yep, that's snug. So we're good to go. Let's install it. Here is the new gasket. They say the gasket's reusable from the factory, but I always feel better getting a new one. This is another one from Rock Auto. Pretty much everything I get, car part wise, is from Rock Auto. Just make sure it matches up with all of your holes. And this one does. Right. And you're good to go. Oh, there it goes. There it is. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more of our videos. See you on the next one.